quick overview of Damus app. This app is going quite viral, and yeah, you can see it's followed by Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey is posting that he has like screenshots of this app on his phone. So yeah, like what is it? So it's basically decentralized social network built on Nostr Open Protocol. Yeah, first of all, you need to just have a quick idea what is Nostr protocol. So Nostr, you can go to usenoster.org. It's like an open protocol that allows building truly censorship resistant and decentralized social media platforms. Protocol is based on relays. Relays are servers that can be operated by anyone. So yeah, here just you don't need to register for any account. You just need a set of keys, public key and private key. So public key is kind of like your username, private key is your password, so you need to keep that secure. But which like how does it relate to this app, to Damus? So Damus is basically like a client for Nostr. So think of it as like yeah, so you can see some other clients like Coracle, Astral, Branel, Alpha Amma, Nostros, and many more. Yeah, so you can see those. Like this is kind of like Damus is kind of like a front end, and Nostr is kind of as like a back end of this new social media app. So yeah, let's just go into the app itself, so now you have a better understanding. The app is not yet available in the Google Play Store or iOS Store. It's only available in the test flight, so you can just go through the test flight and just get that app via their Twitter. So this here is how it looks like. You can see posts. It's very limited, it's very basic. You can post something here. There is no mentioning, there is no images, videos, anything. You can use hashtags though, so something like that. There are some encrypted DMs. You can search for people. There are some notifications, and then there are some settings. And here you can see all the relays. If you want to add relay, just add it here, which are basically servers. And then you have your public account ID, and then you have your secret account login key. And then you can just log out. So there you have it. Then you have your account at top left. You can edit it, you can change your name, edit profile picture, website, and all of the details. And then you will see how many people you are following. You can see number of followers, people who are following you. Yeah, so try it out. Definitely, you can search for some users here. It's very nice time actually to reserve your first name, username on this app, and you will just help also the developers to provide in all these features. Yeah, super interesting niche. This is like maybe it's actually the future of social media, but there you have it.